was just talking about you. All good things.
Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Baltimore City in northern Maryland, northeastern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, southeastern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, until 8 p.m. At 7:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fort Smallwood State Park, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Baltimore, Riviera Beach, Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, Dobbins Island, Gibson Island, Sillery Bay, Severna Park, Pasadena, Arnold, Lakeshore, Green Haven, Edgemere, and Chelsea Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The 7 p.m. observation in Washington.
Nice.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for northern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, extreme southwestern Baltimore City in northern Maryland until 10:45 p.m. At 7:35 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen.
Why is my 262 unplugged? Oh wait, that was my idiot. That was my idiot self.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams,
Flash flood warning that quick? Jeez.
And underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Baltimore, Riviera Beach, Glen Burnie, Pasadena, Brooklyn Park. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
For the tiniest frickin' FFW.
This hazard is. The National Weather Service in Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm.
My phone's about to die, bro.
Northeastern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland until 8:30 p.m. At 7:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Riviera Beach, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Riviera Beach, Dobbins Island, Sillery Bay, Glen Burnie, Severna Park, Pasadena, Arnold, Lakeshore, Green Haven, Harold Harbor, and Chelsea Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.